Welcome to JH. Recently, the internet has been buzzing with reports of scam calls that appear to come directly from Wells Fargo. When you check the caller ID, it actually displays the bank's genuine contact line, which is a lovely touch of psychological warfare. You might wonder how fraudsters are successfully impersonating bank staff, using spoofed numbers, and creating enough urgency to trick people into handing over their sensitive information or transferring money. Because apparently, regular old robbery is just too last century for these modern-day digital pirates. Let's dive into the digital dumpster fire to see what's actually happening. Over on Reddit, multiple users are sharing stories of highly sophisticated setups where scammers mimic the bank's fraud department perfectly, complete with an automated system that even accepts fake card details. The voice prompts and security questions look identical to the real thing, but the scammers eventually get greedy, asking for PINs and expiration dates. It's a bold move, considering Wells Fargo has repeatedly stated that their employees will never ask for your PIN, password, or one-time access codes. Honestly, if someone asks for your secret code over the phone, they're probably not your friend, and they definitely don't work at the bank. The creativity doesn't stop there. One household reported multiple members receiving these calls simultaneously, even though their accounts weren't even linked. These calls came from numbers that Google itself identifies as official Wells Fargo lines, thanks to the magic of spoofing. Even the bank's official website has a warning about this exact tactic, which is basically the corporate version of "we told you so." We also saw a case where scammers retargeted an elderly relative after her card was compromised, pretending to activate security measures, while actually just fishing for the new card number. It's nice to know that even in the world of crime, there's a commitment to follow-up service. One user admitted they were seconds away from sending money before realizing the whole thing was a sham. Thankfully, the actual Wells Fargo fraud team stepped in to block payments and reset their login details, narrowly avoiding a total financial disaster. The takeaway here is simple. If a call feels even slightly suspicious, just hang up. Wells Fargo will never ask you to send money to anyone or demand your sensitive codes over the phone. If you're worried, call the number on the back of your card or the official website directly. Scammers are getting smarter every day, but staying alert is still the best way to protect your wallet. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates and scam awareness.